Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for math exams in one day. First, quickly assess your exam scope. Review your syllabus or study guide to pinpoint crucial topics and their importance. Prioritize areas where you feel weakest, as these offer the most significant gains in a short time frame. Dedicate about one-third of your limited study time, roughly 2 to 3 hours, to these high-priority, challenging concepts to maximize your learning efficiency. Next, engage in targeted practice. Work through example problems for each key topic, concentrating on understanding the underlying methods and formulas. Avoid getting stuck on problems you already master. Instead, challenge yourself with new variations. Try to complete at least 2 or 3 representative problems for each major concept, ensuring you grasp the different approaches and common pitfalls. This focused effort builds confidence and reinforces learning. Now it's time for active recall and review. Test yourself by trying to remember formulas and concepts without peeking at your notes. A powerful technique is to explain difficult concepts aloud, as if you're teaching a friend. This process solidifies your understanding. Dedicate approximately one-fourth of your remaining time, perhaps 1 to 2 hours, to reviewing your notes and any common mistakes you've identified during practice. Finally, focus on your physical and mental preparation. Ensure you get adequate rest, aiming for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep the night before. Eat a balanced meal to maintain steady energy and focus during the exam. Arrive early at the exam location, bringing all necessary materials such as pencils, erasers, and a calculator. A calm and prepared mindset is just as crucial as your knowledge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.